Hello and welcome to DCC and IT Agartala. This is an explanation video of question B, swap and reverse from Harbor Space Scholarship Contest that was held on Codeforces. So in this question, we are given a string S of length n, and we can perform two operations on this string. The first operation is we can swap two indices of the string such that if the first indices is I, then the second indices should be I plus 2. Okay, and the second operation is that we are given an integer k in our input, and what we can do is we can choose a substring from this string s of length k, and we can reverse the string. So now we have to make this string as lexicographically as smaller as possible using these two operations. Okay, so to solve this question, let us take a example string. So let me take a string, suppose Rahul. Okay, so this is my string Rahul. So let us understand the working of our first operation. In this operation, using this operation, what we can do is I can take this R to position of H or to position of L. Okay, but I cannot take this R to position of A or V using this operation. Okay, so what we have seen is that if the number is at odd position, we can take it to any other odd position, but we cannot take this number to any one position. Okay, and similarly, if I perform this operation first on A, then I can take this A to the position of B, but I cannot take this to position of R, H, or L. Okay, so what we have seen that using first operation, we can swap only odd position numbers or only even position number. Okay, like if the number is at odd position, we can take it to any other odd position, but not at even position. Now let us discuss our operation number 2. In operation number 2, I have already told you we have to choose a substring of length n and we have to reverse it. Okay, so let us take another example. So our example would be x, y, z, a, and b. Okay, so it is a string of length 5. So let me consider first case, that is our k equals to even. Okay, so let me take k equals to 4. Okay, so for 4 I will choose this substring. Now in this substring I will reverse it. So our new string will become a, z, y, x, and b. Okay, now you can see that for string this string x was at odd position, but now x is at even position. X is a position number 4 and it is an even position. Y was at even position, now y is at odd position. Z was at odd, now currently it is at even, and A was at even, it is at odd. So what we have seen is that the nature of the position has changed using our second operation, and on that operation we have particularly used k equals to even, k equals to 4. Now suppose we have taken k equals to odd. For example, we have taken k equals to 3. So for 3 I will choose this substring. Now I will reverse this substring. So our new string will become z, y, x, a, b. Now you can see that x was initially at odd position and x is still at odd position, and y was initially at even and y is still at even position. So what you can conclude is if k is even, then we can take our any number to any position. Like a was at 4 position, I can take a to position number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 at any position I want if value of k is even. But if value of k is odd, I cannot take A to any position. I can just take it to the position similar to it. Like if A is at even position, I can take A to any other even position, but not at any other odd position. Okay. Like A is at position number 1. So I can take it to position 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, but I cannot take it to any even position. So basically this is the logic behind this question. So let me tell you the summary. Summary is if K is even, okay, k is even, then we can, what we can do is we just simply sort the string and output the string, and that will be our answer. But for if k is odd, what we can do is we can swap all the odd position digits and we can swap all the even position digits, and then we output our string, and that will be our answer. Okay, so let us move to my code where I can explain you the code correctly. So why is it not opening? Okay, it is taking some time, so let us wait. Fast, fast, fast. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my code. In my code, first I have taken all the inputs here. Then after this, I have taken my first test case, that is for k equals to even. For k equals to even, I just simply sorted the string and output the string, and that will be our answer. But if k is odd, Then what I've taken? I've taken two string. In string A, I have stored all the odd position digits of string S, and in string B, I have stored all the even position digits. Okay, and then I have sorted these strings, and after sorting, I have stored this string in R string S, and then I have output the string S, and this will simply solve our question. So thank you for coming and have a great day.